AD 28 house by KMA. Katia Marten Arquitectos in San Jose, Costa Rica. Located in a gated community next to Playa Marbella, Guanacaste, Casa AD was designed to welcome family and friends to enjoy life in a beautiful space that invites the stunning views of the tropical dry forest into the warmth of the home. The design accentuates the connection between architecture, nature, and people. The external areas play an important role where guests are immediately greeted by the main elements of design that inspire outdoor living. With Costa Rica's privileged warm climate and extraordinary biodiversity, outdoor areas are essential for connecting and enjoying the pura vida lifestyle. Casa AD's architecture was created under a simple and elegant line. Its main concept was built upon three main pillars: privacy, the perfect fusion of architecture that connects with nature, and inviting the outside into the comfort of the interior spaces. Two main modules divide the social areas from the private ones, creating an L-shaped distribution that takes advantage of the geometry to create seclusion from the neighbors and public streets. The main facade consists of two big walls that play an important role as the main linear elements that transition the outside into the house. Entering the home, several glass components eliminate the visual barriers and strengthen the relationship between people and the natural context. The wall that spans from side to side frames a unique main door that invites and welcomes people. As soon as one enters the house, the view opens up to the terrace and to an infinity pool, surrounded by trees that reflect in the water. This creates an exceptional experience and transports you into outdoor living, a way of life that we all dream about. We believe in the power of high vibration spaces and the importance of taking care of every detail. The use of natural elements such as water and stone, carefully designed furniture pieces, native plants, and louvers, brings warmth and character to the project. The nature of Casa AD allows natural light into every space during the daytime and fresh air during the night, while enjoying a striking sky full of stars. It is a space that was designed for people to enjoy life in a beautiful, healthy, and happy environment surrounded by loved ones, creating memories that will last for many generations. As a firm, we are committed to creating spaces that nurture the well-being, safety, and happiness of everyone, while living in harmony with nature. Casa AD is a clear example of our philosophy brought to life.